All right, guys, so here we are on top of the roof rack. Just about to tie this jerry can down, but I thought I'd just mention something that we do get a lot of questions about, is mounting your jerry can on its side like that. A lot of people obviously ask the question, do they leak? The question is, depends on the jerry can. We've had pretty good luck with these. The spout here has got a really good O-ring in it. It doesn't leak. I've never had one of these leak. And the same goes for the water version, which is even a slightly different design. However, the breather nozzles, I have had them leak a tiny bit, but a quick fix sorts that out. And it's really as simple as a bit of plastic like this. Now, this plastic comes from your Ziploc bags, your little lunch bags. So what you want to do is cut a square of that, 2 pieces, lay it over the thread, just like that, and screw the cap down, and that's it. That's a trick that my old man taught me. It's a trick from back in the day when jerry cans all leaked. So yeah, and out of all the thousands of Ks we've done traveling with diesel on our roofs, water on our roof, we've never actually had any leaks. So we've had a really good run, and I think I've actually got pictures somewhere of a jerry can in 40-degree temperature up Birdsville way. The can was so bloated, it was crazy. So, and it didn't leak. So the plastic definitely works, and that's what I would recommend to anyone. So yeah, so let's get on to the installation here. So there's the jerry insert. Before we do that, we've got the 4 bolts, eye bolts on each side. We generally run them around 20 mils off the foam insert. You can go closer or a little bit further out, whatever works for you. So yeah, lay the jerry in. And then what we use is a 2-meter tie down. And basically, we use just one. And this basically threads through just like this. So you want to go from out to in, pull up the slack, and lay the head of the strap down here in the center of the jerry. And then what we want to do is, keeping this all in flat and not twisted up, we want to take it across to the eye bolt on the other channel and just pull it through, and that goes from in to out. All right, and then we go over to the other side and we just repeat that same process. So from out to in, and then in to out, pull the slack up, and just take any twists out of it. All right, just like that, and pretty much it's done. And this is my preferred way of doing it, and I've found it super reliable. I've never had any issues of anything coming loose. And obviously, you do what works for you, but this is just my way of process of tying down a jerry.